What's up, bag holders? Market's up. If you didn't check the last video, go check that one out. But we got to catch up our spreadsheet here. So let's go to the daily. Our order for British Petroleum did fill. Let's get the spreadsheet up to shape here. 36.07 per share. Yep, that's correct. So we had that one in there. We got a dividend from XYLD, which is nice. TKR, we got a huge dividend there. Very nice. Cigna, we had a buy and a sell here on the flip side. And we need to get our spreadsheet updated to reflect that order. We did the same thing in the other account, but you can see here I eat my own cooking. So 262.87 was the end price, and per share 265.94 per share on the exit, and that's beautiful. It doesn't get any better than that. It's a little nicer on this account just for the fact that it's not such a huge percentage of the overall account. But it's also good to get a sell on the end of the month. So we're not worried about this was a day trade or none of that. So, it's just nice. The game gets so much easier if you got just a little bit of money. Pretty good month. Pretty good month on the little flip strategy. All right. So we got that guy going. We made almost 3 times as much we made last month. Of course, we have a lot of strategies going on too. Totally unrelated, but this is a little something I like to do just because this is my channel. And I just get a rant on the main account here. What a beautiful trade. And yesterday, we didn't get all that. We only got up to here, but still worked out beautiful. And this is 5 minutes at a time. So making a little money there. The compounding is just crazy. Small moves, but on a smaller time frame, you're able to take more frequency of trades, right? So gold and silver, we don't have any. We're looking to get some. Ethereum, we're still hanging on. We're in profits. You can see where we got in down here. We're still just holding. It didn't quite tap us out here. So the longer it goes sideways and slowly goes up, the RSI will stay in play. So this could be a long move, but we are in the game. And here we're looking to get into Bitcoin, no dice there as well. So now we go to the swing trades. There's no flips today. The market was up. And we'll go through each individual one, looking to see if there is a sell order we can put in. And the market was up today, so beware for that. And we're also looking for an entry. 62 is pretty strong. And you can see we're hitting resistance. You see this? This one wouldn't be into the world. It's a pretty strong one, too. And it was a support zone here, but we'll hang on to it. We'll let it go one more day. I really like 65 plus. The beauty of having a universe of stocks is that I know they're all high quality. You may disagree. You have to do your own research, but I know that I'm good holding these because I do in my other account. And that also is what allows me to not worry when I sell them because I still own them. Locked in a Pepsi dividend. Very nice. This Duke guy is up to, yeah, see this one for sure. You see with the 200s playing into this. I had an order to sell this thing for 92. a couple of days ago during this spike here, I believe. And then I canceled it yesterday. But I do think I'm going to put that sucker back in and take the money and run. I'm just going to put it in for 92.28 and take an extra 28 cents over what I was originally going to take anyway. So patience does pay, but you got to have enough money to stay in the game. That's the whole game. Uh, so boom, maybe one. We'll see. A lot of these are close, huh? You got that dividend coming up too, even though it's a small dividend. 62 on this one too. But you can see here, you've got room to get into this chop here. All right, this is the recent swing high. So there's room here. So we'll let it run. Locked in another dividend. 65 on Expeditors. And boom, locked in the dividend. We'll put an order in to sell this one as well. EXPD. And we'll just put it for 120.34. See how she does it. But a pretty good complete move. We don't know, the thing can run for a long time. We don't know that. But wisdom is knowing that you don't know. Locked in dividend today for that one as well. The day prior to the X date, right? All right, so nothing there. Where did I put all of my markets that we need to get into? I put them up here. I'm trying to find a good way to do them. Did I put them down here? I actually do what I wanted to do. No. Where in the world are they at? I put them all together. Here they are. So we'll check the markets first. Look at that. Beautiful move. 78 on the RSI almost. Jeez. All right. So let's go down here in the weeds and see if we can find something. And if we don't, that's just A-okay. But it's a sin to not look. You got to at least look. Come on, man. But a great month for traders and investors as well. It's just really strong. And you can see some of these moves that we were in, how far they really run, right? So there's definitely a more effective way to do it, but this is the way that I like to do it, and it works. So this is really just fun for me. It's like a hobby, man. I just have a lot of fun with it. I didn't start with enough money to be the best, probably. So, and I'm old, so if we can make a little bit, that'd be all right. And you see, most of these are going with the market, right? So uh, they have similar shapes to them. They're not all the same, but there's a similarity to them. And if we have a laggard in the oil market, that's kind of where we've been finding some success for entries. The bank is closing a bunch of branches. The stock went straight up. Why is that? The balance sheet just improved, right? When companies get a control over cost, man, they become more profitable. It's just how it works. What about this one? We had our little spike here. It never did cross. So we have a 139.80 over 139.49. This is an entry. It's already shot up on the RSI. So if you wanted to pass on this one, that's going to be your call as usual. Looks like it trades on the 24-hour market too. 142.39. I'm getting spot price at lower than that on the brokerage, so it's likely to fill. Yep, 142.33 was the fill. We're in business. We're in Abby. So even when the market's going crazy, there's opportunity if you just look. Just gotta quit being lazy and look. Jeez. It's one thing if you don't know, but there's so many resources now. It's hard to say with a straight face you didn't know that you can make money in the stock market. And if you're watching this, you know. Boom. Beautiful day, strong month. I'm excited to get the statements in. I do have another video about where does your paycheck go. I got paid today, I think. I haven't even checked. But probably save that for the weekend. We got a busy day tomorrow on the road, so we'll get to it when we get to it. But the good news is after Friday close, really got all the way until Monday morning to do your moves, man, because I'm really focused on helping people that have real jobs, that are in real life, that produce real stuff for America, because we need workers right now. So if you're working out there, that's who I'm gearing this for. And if you trade during the day and you're lazy like I used to be, and you want signals during the day, check out the website, but it ain't going to help you much. So yeah, if you want to get kind of halfway updates, you can check the website. Really, that's just getting the digital real estate. That's an investment as well. And then maybe looking to buy another house. So, or physical real estate. Also, the market's going straight up, so we haven't got filled all the way for the lottery project. But I don't expect a lot of dividends to roll in a few days anyway. So we just leave that order in, and it's not something that I quit doing or anything. But it's going to take a month. I mean, we're going to need the December statements, right? So New Year, that'll start kicking off good, and the channel is kicking off. So I hope y'all enjoy it. We got a little entertainment piece there, but this is really how I'm moving all the money, from high dividend account into this trading account, which is focused on all this crazy stuff. But just remember that the richest people in the world aren't traders, So, but I can make a lot more trading than I can working a second job, and I think you can too once you get a base of money. You just take some money. So, if you're kind of bummed you're making your 20 cents or whatever, just understand that it's a learning process. Once you get the knowledge, then you need to go in the real world and go get the money. Okay. So that's part of the thing that's taken me a little while to get a hold of, but I'm in it now and chasing the almighty dollar in the real world and dumping it all into here for you guys to see. So hopefully you can benefit by learning. Hopefully you appreciate the effort, and that's all I got. We'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out. Finish strong. Friday.